Hi everyone. Today we are in Smrees. Actually, we are celebrating third anniversary in this month. Actually, October 28th, we have opened the showroom. So I'm waiting for everyone to join. Hi Suya. Hi Prabhu. Hi. This is our third anniversary month. Actually, we opened this showroom. Actually, in August we have took it for rent, and we have done interiors and have started this showroom in October 28th, 2018. It's been 3 years. We are celebrating third anniversary. Uh, this is our third anniversary month. So, thank you all for supporting us in all towards Smrees, home decor, handmade products. The two all completely Indian made products we have. So completely Indian made, the two eco-friendly without any plastic and fiber resin or nothing. We have handmade products, and in every tiny details we use paper tape, and we packaging also we completely avoid bubble wrapping, covers, plastics. So this is towards an eco-friendly environment we want to create for our future generations, and also sustainable, the two with sustainable decors, which last for lifelong. Our home decors and handmade products which last for lifelong, and also it's very unique. So that's our motto. Hi Ruchis. uh, Thank you for joining. I'm going to show our showroom completely, and we are having announcing an anniversary sale. This is third anniversary for us. October 28th is third anniversary. So this month we have this month and next month we have anniversary sale. So I'm going to show one by one what products and all we have, and I'm going to re-upload this video in IGTV. So whoever customers or followers who wants to check the products of our showroom can do. We have exclusive mirrors. We have extra 20% discount. We have up to 50% and extra 20% discount on mirrors. We do worldwide shipping, but shipping cost will be managed by the customer. We do all over India shipping, and we do worldwide shipping. So I'm going to show one by one what are the products we have in our showroom, which are completely eco-friendly and completely last lifelong. So let's go and see. Thank you. Uh, so these are all Kauna grass baskets from Manipur. You can see we have covered all Indian states at one place. So these are all Kauna grass baskets. We have this uploaded in our website smrees.com. If you just open the smrees.com, and you can order whichever style you want, and you can order Smrees from smrees.com. Hi Vaishali. Hi Arvind. Thanks for joining. These are Sabai grass baskets. These are from Orissa. These are completely eco-friendly, handmade by the tribal artist. These colorful baskets are from Sabai baskets. These are it's a very handy baskets actually, for which we can even take for vegetables buying, to store toys, to kids for baskets. So these are all Sabai grass, and these are palm leaf baskets. The tiny storage units we have in palm leaf. These are from Tamil Nadu. We have palm leaf pencil pouches. These are from Kashmir. Actually, these are from Kashmir paper mage products. These are bamboo mats. We have Tanjavur Talayati Bommai dancing doll, which is famous in South India. We can see how these dolls will dance. This looks so cute, right? This is Tata Patti. These are all dancing dolls we have here. This star doll will cost $7.99 only. These are heavy paper mage. These are also cost $7.99 only. Colorful. This costs $9.65. It's little big. These are $7.99. We have Raja Rani sets in the two sizes and many color options available. We have Bharatanatyam sets also. Lot of varieties we have. We have colorful sun mirror, butterfly mirror in copper color. The gold color is sold out. Beautiful flower mirror. We can see. I can show you all the wall decors we have here. Beautiful mirrors over here. And wall decors, peacock wall decors, peacock feather wall decor, umbrella shape, and we have pool of bunch of birds here. It comes with LED light. This comes with LED light on the background. This looks so cool actually. It's a single wall decor. Mirrors, we have wall clocks, we have lovebirds tree wall decor, we have Krishna in 3D metal art. These are all mosaic lamps. These are Kathakali from Kerala. These are metal and this is made of wood. It lasts lifelong. We have embroidery products also. We have lot of embroidery stuffs. You can purchase from smreeze.com. These are all displayed in smreeze.com with each photos and size and everything. So please check smreeze.com and purchase it. Beautiful lights, lamps. We have huge collections here. Lots of bells. We have beautiful tree wall decor. We have butterfly candle holders, tree handle holders, flower handle holders. These are 1980. Prices are very reasonable. This is only 590. See, this looks so beautiful. We have key holders, dress holders. We have in brass on the bottom side wall hangings. Lots and varieties of hangings. Actually, candle holders, birds, hearts, butterflies, house shape hangings, and we have elephants, big wall decors in gold and copper color. We have sun, we have Radha Krishna, flowers. We have Deepavali decors. We have Diwali. We can light up the diya with these kind of candle holders and get diya holders. Looks so beautiful. Peacock hangings. We have tree of life over here. You can see lot of wall decor, wine decors, table decors for the showpieces. Baskets, ironwood. We have wooden pieces also. Couple sleeves. We have murals. Actually, these are made of murals, kind of ceramic murals, terracotta murals. It's baked, fired for 2 days. Then it was painted like this. Then we framed with bamboo. These are completely eco-friendly, no fiber or no chemicals added. So this looks so lovely to hang in our house. Natural materials. To support Indian artists, we have butterfly hangings, birds in single piece also. We have miniature pottery collections over here. Beautiful peacock mirror. Ramar. We have wall decors. We have Vinayagar, Ganesh wall decor. We have Buddha tree. We have lots and varieties of pen stands, flower vases, which are all hand painted by Indian traditional artists. These are all wooden pen holders. These are terracotta hand painted pen holders. Can be used as a pot also on the table. These are all brass, pure brass traditional mugs from Maharashtra. These are all shell painted. These are all copper, pure copper. We have candle holders, mosaic candle holders. We have plantas, terracotta. We have Buddha pen stands. Lot of varieties of Buddha. We have wooden pen stands, wooden 10-in-1 dolls, 5-in-1 dolls, and lots of varieties. for car Ganesh. We have wooden Ganesh also. We have Krishna in wood. We have peacock sets, emblem. We have German oxidized silver. We have huge collections over here. It's only 10% are displayed here. Next we go for pure brass Docrots. These are pure brass Docrots. Looks so lovely, and we can pass it for generations. It's so lovely and colorful, and it's very heavy also. Oh, metal decors. We have cocks. We have wooden peacock wall clocks, guitar wall clock. We have metal wall clocks. We have metal wall decors, cloth wall decors. So we have pottery collections, few ceramic planters. We have candle holders, lots of varieties. Starts from 89. We have lots of varieties here. Candle holders here for the Diwali collections. Here. So for those people followers who have joined lately for this live, I'm uploading this video in IGTV collection. So if you want to purchase any products, you can just ping us. Candle holders, diya holders for Diwali collections here. Lots of varieties of table decors. Glass decors. Keychains. Hope you all enjoyed the video. So if you are in Chennai, please join our anniversary sale. Thank you so much for watching. I'll upload this video in IGTV. Thank you.